Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's information, Unity State Governor said disarmament will start in 2 weeks in Mayom County. Before we proceed with this new information, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Well, according to the information, the governor of Unity State, Riek said the government will start collecting guns from civilians in the next 2 weeks. This is happening after army Nuer youth agreed to give their weapon to local chiefs. The news was announced during a big peace meeting called the Ruas K Manken Conference in Mayom County over the weekend. Many people joined the event, including government leaders, lawmakers, chiefs, women, and youth group. This disarmament is part of the state emergency announced by the President Salva Kiir Mayardit in June for Mayom County and Warab State. The goal is to stop fighting and reduce guns in the hands of civilians. Governor Riek said the plan will begin soon. Everyone agreed that gun will be given to the government through the chief and other leaders, but if some people refuse, force will be used. We expect the process to start in about 2 weeks, he said on SSBC. However, there are serious concerns. Many of the Nuer youth being disarmed are known supporters of Dr. Riek Machar, who is supposed to be a peace partner in the national unity government, but Dr. Riek Machar is still under house arrest and has no freedom to speak or act. This has raised serious questions among the Nuer people. Why is Kiir Mayardit's government targeting Nuer youth who support the peace partner? Will this not cause tension between the Kiir SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force soldiers, and the Nuer White Army militia who are still loyal to Dr. Riek Machar? Some fear this move may not bring peace, but instead may create more conflict in the future if it is not handled with fairness and care. Also, during the conference, cattle keepers say they are afraid that their animal will not be safe after they give up their gun. The government promised to find a way to protect both people and livestock after disarmament. Religious and spiritual leaders were also asked to help by encouraging youth to hand over weapons peacefully. This disarmament plan is meant to bring peace to Unity State, the government of Kiir Mayardit said. However, if it is done in a way that targets one group or ignore the political situation, it could bring more danger instead of peace. Well, the government failed to protect the people of Unity State, especially the Nuer youth that the government is targeting today to disarm them and give up their weapon. Well, yesterday or the day before yesterday, their cattle were raided by the local White Army from the Dinka militia in coming from Warab State, and yet the Unity State government, which is now claiming that is going to protect or find a way to protect the Nuer youth that have cattle, their claim is not true. They will not protect them, but this is a way of leaving them vulnerable so that their property can be taken away from them. And this disarmament is not supported by anyone, because these are people who are loyal to Dr. Riek Machar, and instead they are being targeted by Kiir Mayardit so that they can no longer support Dr. Riek Machar. According to some people, the activists, they say that if South Sudan government want to disarm the civilian, they should start it from Murle. Murle are the community that been known. They have some rebel that always target civilians. They always kidnap children, raiding cattle, and also unaliving people in Apanal and also in Jonglei. So these are the people that their arms should be taken by the government, but instead the South Sudan government failed to do that. Instead they move ahead and trying to disarm the Nuer civilian or the Nuer youth that are protecting themselves. Well, this is the information that I have for you. If you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can reach out to a wider audience. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.